Hi guys, welcome back to Stella&Co. Today I'm showing you how to do a makeup video. So we've all seen that one that I did in the car. So yeah, let's get started. So basically what I'm going to use first is this if I can move it to the side, foundation. I'm going to flip you guys over. So, the first thing is foundation, which I think will be good because normally I like foundation. So yeah. If I can get this thing open. Yeah, it's really messy because I use this a lot, so yeah. I think it's hard to squeeze out. Well, it's okay if I do that because I'm literally about to pat it on my arm. So I'm going to be taking brush, my drill. I was looking for this brush. I think that's a bit too much, and then you slide it around you. I think that is good. So yeah, next thing I'm going to do is this. It's like inside my chair. This. So yeah, it's this. Which I think will be perfect. Because I normally do stuff a lot. My earring is fogged. Okay. So yeah, well, basically what you're gonna do, just do this thingy. Whatever it's called. I don't know the name of it. I'm almost hold on. So yeah. Which I think it would be. So I'm gonna take this brush, Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a rabbit by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. So I think I practiced on this one. I think that's good. So, done with this. Next time I'll be doing some eyeshadow. Done. These colors are so pretty. You can't see that much of the colors. So, basically, going to move this to you guys where it's the light is on you guys. The colors are so pretty. My light is going to shine on me now. I think I got one. So yeah, let's get the eyeshadow thing on. I think I might need to slide out a bit because I'm like squished. Okay, like that. That is good, girl. So then we're gonna add another color. That looks good. I think it looks good, but almost Really? Okay, that looks good. Let's see. Next time I'm gonna use this. So yeah. Open this. I'm gonna open this like that was easy. This, just so you know, this stinks. Really, it stinks. Okay, that hurts. Go down. Okay, this stuff got all over my hands. To do this, it's got all over my hands. So yeah, so basically that was a bit too much. You gotta rub this. So yeah, basically, do my eyeshadow. And that's. And what about my blush? I'm gonna take my blush. If I need to, because. Oh, and just so you know, guys, this thingy, this was made by my cousin. Got it from Christmas. Made by my cousins. Not like it. So basically, yeah. What are we gonna do? Blush, 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 blush. I got my big brush to use. It's kind of like a blender blush, but it's okay because it's really. Got it in my eye. Just so you know, it hurts when you're in your eye because, believe me, I've done this a lot. Would this stop every day? Okay. And we're gonna do the lipstick. Okay, smell this. This literally smells so good. Just so you know, I'm gonna. This thing broke, just so you know. Dropped it on the sidewalk. Good. Whatever I said. My sisters have to play with this. I don't have a sister, I'm just joking. Just joking, because I don't have a sister. If I did, I would not like it. She might destroy all my toys. Which I think she might will. How does this turn to that tiny hole? Guess that might be good. I just got. I'll be right back. I need to go get a rag. Open. I'll be right back. Would you like to know a big view of my stuff? You want to do that? Okay, I'll let you. yeah, that's it. So yeah. And that's how you get look. I'm going to get a rag, so I'll be sorry, you guys. So it's